Hi, welcome to my video open house. I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today we're going to see a gorgeous two-story house on 1.3 acres, 3655 Oak Ridge Drive. French doors separate you from the main entry into this really wonderful great room, and you have access to the kitchen. The main level has a circular floor plan, so you have dining access to the kitchen, to the great room, to the living room, to the entry. This pampered home has hardwoods on the main level, a living room, dining room, also a family room, and a really wonderful entertaining kitchen. There are 5 total bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms in this spacious home. This is the master suite. The 5th bedroom is being used as their workout space, but it has the potential to be a bedroom suite. It actually has access to a full bath on the lower level. There's an expansive entertaining deck area that leads down to a fenced backyard. As I mentioned, this is on over an acre, on 1.3 acres. We're on Bloomington's east side. We're close to Indiana University, College Mall, and it's convenient to everything that's great about Bloomington. Thanks for taking this video open house of 3655 Oak Ridge Drive. You can see more information on jeffsells.com or call me at 812-360-5333.